Okay, for this show, it's a slightly different type of pattern that we're seeing. A rectangular table seats 6 people. You connect the tables end to end each time you add a table, and another 4 people can sit down. So we start with this configuration. The second option is this, and then we can add subsequent tables to expand upon the seating arrangement. So when there's 2 tables, instead of 6 people like there was for one table, we've got 4 on each side and 1 on each end, so that's a total of 10. 3 tables would have 14. 4 tables will have 18. So that's the basic table. Let's expand that now. We'll make sure that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 here on the left. We're going to bring this column down onto the far right. And then let's try and figure out what the numbers are in the middle. So each time this goes up, it goes up by 4. So that's going to be our magic multiplier. It's going to be 4. And when you do that, you have 4, 8, 12, and 16. Now, in order to go from these numbers to these numbers, we need to add 2. So we're adding 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 2 is 10, 12 plus 2 is 14, 16 plus 2 is 18. So that's consistent. So that means that the number of people is equal to 4 times the number of tables plus 2. If you have 1 table, it's 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Yep, 6, etc. So now we can use our equation to answer this question. How many connected tables will seat 26 people? So 26 we're going to substitute in for P. Here, I'll rewrite it. 26 instead of P. And now we have to try and isolate T so that T equals a number. So we're going to take this plus 2 and we're going to subtract it from the right. But if we do it to the right, we have to do it to the left. So 26 minus 2 is equal to 24. 4t plus 2 minus 2 becomes 4t. So this is 4 times t. So we're going to divide. Divide is the opposite of times. So we're going to divide by 4 on the right and on the left to keep it equal. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 4t divided by 4 is just t. So 6 tables will seat 26 people. And of course you can double check it. And we can do that by, again, pulling up the original equation, 4t plus 2, and substitute the number 6 in for the number of tables, and then calculate it out. So 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2, which is equal to 26. Yeah, so we're good. So 6 tables is the solution for the show you know.